How to prepare a class in Labscope Teacher. As a teacher, you give lectures in different classes. One day, you explain the mitosis of cells with 2 groups of students. The next day, 60 students share 30 microscopes. You need to flexibly change the class layout. Moreover, in yet another class, you prepare content which includes images, PowerPoints, and exams before you give a lecture. With Labscope Teacher from Zeiss, you can master this challenge in next to no time. Here's how it works. Log in to Labscope Teacher using your administrator ID and password. The software instantly recognizes how many microscopes and how many tablets are available within the network. Now define the layout of your class, build groups, and define which iPads work on which microscopes. The icons show you the layout of your class at a glance. Name and save your class. After you create your own class, you copy the content to your class folder so that you can easily share those files with your students. Once done, you're ready for your next course. Labscope Teacher lets you easily build your classroom, and you can focus on what's most important: teaching. For further information, visit our website.